Okay, 38. So 38, you need to remember that two important formula in the set theory. So for any set fa to B and C is a subset of A, we have two properties. One is F inverse C will larger than C. Another is C will larger than F inverse C F. Okay, so these two important inequality you need to remember. So the first one is A. The correct one is A because A is this identity. And you can check that B is not correct. B should be the contents symbol should reverse the direction. And the C also is not correct. C the contents direction content symbol in the C direction should be changed. And the D are just nonsense result. So when you in the test that you may forget the direction of this sign. So let me show one example. Suppose that y is equal to x squared and the c is 0, 2. And this is f of x equal to x squared. So f of c is 0, 4. But f inverse f of c is minus 2 and 2. So basically, this term inverse is this term. And this is contains C. Is contains C. Okay. So using this example that you will not forget this one is the correct one. And the proof is also easy because f of c is just x. It's just a collection of f of x when x in C. And the f inverse c and f inverse f of c ask about which point f of x will inside the f of c. So definitely it will contain the c. So the answer is A.